Alright, back here on Geoff and Kent's T-Bird. Kent just got the plate done. It's really nice. I like it a lot. He really worked hard on it. Just trimming and filing to get it to fit. So I got the radio tightened down. I'm going to put the knobs on. And there is quite the unsightly gap here. I really need to adjust that because that's just ugly. So I need to take everything out and pull the nuts on the back side forward. Probably about 4 threads at least. I'm gonna try it out. All right, so we've brought up the backing nuts on the actual radio. It's a custom auto sound. I'm not too hot on these, as everybody already knows. I much prefer sending an original radio out to I'm drawing a blank. Anyway, S&M Electrotech, that's it, in Minnesota. And have them put all the goodies in it. But these work well. I mean, the thing with S&M Electrotech is time. It takes a while and it's expensive. This is a lower cost, quicker alternative. Anyway, got those nuts up higher. We're gonna try it now. There she is. Speaker is mounted. It's got its cover. Everything's hooked up on the radio except the ground wire, which I just gotta put onto the dash frame. But next time we're here, we can wrap this baby up.